Here's going to be one of the banks of Emerald Bay elevators here at the Gaylord Palms here in Kissimmee, Florida. These ones go up and they have very nice views of the atrium. Emerald Bay elevators. There's the Palm Beach Ballroom. Very beautiful hotel. Anyways, here they are. Let's go up. Go down first. Lantern doesn't work. Okay. Lower level. Fitness center. All right, let's head on up to the 8th floor. Beautiful atrium, and it's all decorated up for Christmas. All right, we're on 8. Let's go back down to the lower level. Here on the lower level, and we're gonna head back up to 8 one more time. I'm gonna stand to the front of the cab, facing the window, so can get as good of a view as possible. Anyways, here we go. Hopefully we don't stop. Yay. And you can see one of the other elevator banks there. KONE brake, roller coaster brake as I call it. It's shocking though that one this old has it. There's your call station. There's your lantern. All right, let's head back down to 1. And we're stopping. I guess we'll just watch the numbers going the rest of the way. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
1.
Perfect. They skipped out a 2nd floor. Interesting. Actually never realized that. Actually, you know what? Oh, we got a choice. You know what I'm gonna... Yeah, you know what? Let's take this one for one more ride, since this is the other car. And then what I'll do is once I'm done, I'm gonna send it up to the top and we'll watch it go up. That's Emerald Bay Bank number 2 there. Like I said, there's into the atrium. All right, let's go back down to 1. And this time we're gonna watch the numbers. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna watch it go up. There it goes. Now we're gonna watch it go. Here it goes. Those are quite fun. Well, anyways, there they go, and that's gonna be it.